Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you all are well. So coming to chapter number 3, your language study, we have got tenses. Okay, so now let's do a little recap. What are tenses? Okay, tenses are actions done in any particular or a given time, any particular given time, not or, any particular given time. Okay, now when we talk about actions, when we talk about these actions, we can say that these actions, when they are done in a particular time, it will be called a tense. Okay, so we can come to know that action and tense will have a action and tense will have a relation. See, they are both connected. Okay, they are connected. Once you do an action, there has a tense will be formed. Now which tense will be formed? Now according to this action and the time when this action is done, we have 3 tenses. How many tenses we will have? 3, and they are what? Present, past and the future tense. Now let's start with the present tense. Just before I start with the present tense, I want to tell you, now there are 3 tenses. Okay, present, past and future. Each tense का कितना हो जाएगा? Each tense will have 4 slots. Okay, so 3 into 4, if you do your multiplication, you will have 12 tenses together. Now let's start with the present tense. Now if I am talking about the present tense, it will be simple present, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous. We are talking about present continuous. It includes an action which is habitual. Habitual का मतलब, like for example, you are going to school, you are eating, you are drinking, you are sleeping, rising of the sun. Okay, now how do we make this? What is the formula? It is there in your textbook. Okay, from there only I have taught you. You have to take your subject, because a sentence cannot be formed without the subject. Every sentence will have a subject. अब subject कैसे बनता? Either it will be a noun or it will be a pronoun. Remember that. Okay, pronoun. So first you will have the noun or a pronoun, then you will use the first form of the verb, and then in that verb you will add an s or an es. So now seeing that, how will we make your first tense? Now let's remember that, so that I just wanted to tell you, if you go to your page 18, go to your page 18, you will see that there are 3 forms of the verbs. One is the base form, that is used for simple present. Okay, remember that. The base form will be used for simple present. Second, you have the past tense, which is called as the second form of the verb, and the past participle will be used in your perfect tense. Now simple one, simple present, how you use? Subject I, first form of the verb s or es. तो कैसे बना? I go, but इसमें s or es, no s or es. You go, no s or es. We go, no s or es. That means with the pronouns he, she and any name, you will have s or es. So if you understood that, okay. Now let's come to the second one, present continuous. Continuous means what? Continuous, see, I have put this line. Continuous means it is continuing. Any action which is done in continuation. What is the formula? Same thing. Subject, that is subject. Then you will use your helping verbs is, am and are. And you will use the first form of the verb plus ing. So how it will go? Now I have started first, the subject is noun. So arham, I will use what? Is plus go plus ing. So arham is going. I am going. You are going. See, I have used here. See this you have to remember. I am, you are, we are, they are, he is, she is. And if it is anybody's name, it will be is. So have you understood this? Now let's come to the present perfect tense. Present perfect tense is also used to express an action that has just been complete. Always remember, action matlab harkat, okay? Action means something which you do. Like if we have completed our class, today's class, we will say we have completed our English class. Something which has just been done, okay? I ate an apple. I have eaten an apple. I have washed the clothes, something like that. Now, how do we make, what is the formula? The formula is that always sentence will have a subject. Subject ke baad you will have a has and a have and the third form of the verb, that is called as the past participle. Okay, it is, I've told you, refer to page 18 for all your work. So, it will be I have, page 18. See all the three forms of the verb. Page 18, three forms of the verb. So, you will have I have, you have, we have, he has, she has. And anybody's name? Taha has. Now, present perfect continuous. Example is I have eaten an apple, you have eaten an apple. See, now even if I use a noun and if the noun comes with a pronoun also, still you will have has. Okay, so my father has eaten an apple. Chalo. Next, present perfect continuous. Again, when I am talking about continuous, see, I will use this line. So, you also remember that. Continuous also to show an action which started in the past, but it is still continuous. Jaise continue. It has been raining. It started raining in the morning and it is still raining. So, you will use it has been raining for 2 hours. Now, how do you make this? How do we make this? The formula is that you will use the subject, then you will use has and have, plus this is the little fellow that you have to use, been. The word is B-E-E-N. You have to use this. Has or have plus been plus verb first form and you will add an ing. So, the sentence kaise banega? I have been studying, it has been raining, and it can continue now. You can make it like, for example, if you want to use with the pronoun he has been sleeping, hai na? Sometimes we sleep for quite some time. He has been sleeping for 2 hours. So, I hope you have understood. I have just given you a short recap of all the, these are all the 4 present. So, how many present tense we have? Simple present. Okay, this is the first format. Simple present, then we get a present continuous, then you get present perfect. See, it's very easy. Or isi ka what do you make? Present perfect continuous. So, children, happy learning. I hope you understand.